The Flowmaster 4-inch angle cut exhaust tip is a great choice for the 97 and newer F-150 owner who's looking for a simple but effective way to replace your current boring stock tip with one of the biggest available stainless steel tips. This is great if you're going for the look of an aftermarket exhaust, but you aren't interested in an increase in sound and volume. This tip will attach to your factory 2.5-inch or 3-inch tailpipe easily with a pre-installed clamp. I'll be giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and expect it to take less than 15 minutes to install. Just north of $60, this is a bolt-on tip is a great alternative to an axleback or catback system, which will cost hundreds more. It'll change up the look of your rig in just a few minutes. This features the same stainless steel quality construction you'd get from a full Flowmaster set at a fraction of the cost. And if you do have an axleback or catback system, this is also a great option for covering up a damaged exhaust tip on an aftermarket exhaust instead of cutting it off or buying a whole new kit. This is an easy solution if you're looking to change up your current look. This tip is made from a double wall stainless steel, so it'll stand up to light strikes and road debris better. The stainless finish will naturally resist rust and corrosion, especially important for the part of your truck that's always visible and constantly being subjected to exhaust, water vapor, road salt, and dirt. This tip is polished to give you that mirror-like finish, and it comes embossed with the Flowmaster logo to complete that classic look. If the size of the single exit design or polished finish are not for you, know that Flowmaster has different styles, finishes, and even sizes for any budget or build. Switching over to the install, this is a simple clamp style bolt-on install that I'm going to be giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you could expect it to take about 15 minutes or less to complete. The only tools you'll need is a simple ratchet and socket set. That's my review on Flowmaster's 4-inch angle cut polished stainless steel exhaust tip. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.